If you want to change all the images from a specific post category, you would normally have to check all the images to determine which of them belong to the posts, or open all the posts, and then start changing the images individually. Which of course, will be tedious and time-consuming. To help you with this, we want to show you how to search for images by the blog category in your WordPress media library using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin allows you to do this and many more advanced searches. It also displays all your files in an intuitive spreadsheet, where you can apply changes faster than you would if you were using the normal media library editor. In addition, it contains a bulk editing tool that allows you to apply changes to thousands of files at once. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. To save us many tedious hours of searching, we'll use a helpful tool inside the plugin, which will help us to filter all the images by blog category. We are talking about the search tool. Once the tool is open, select a search for files associated to posts. Enter the blog category here. Then tick here to enable the advanced filters. Select Format as the field key. Choose the operator contains. And the value will be image in this case. Finally, click on Run Search, and all your images that belong to the blog category will be displayed. And that's how easy it is to perform advanced searches in your WordPress media library with the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.